Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to post on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So first of all, what you need to do is launch Reddit app on your mobile device and log into your account. After that, you just simply need to tap on the plus icon, usually located in the bottom center of the screen. So we press it. It will suggest us to change our username. You can change it if you want, or you can keep it. I will keep it, this username, because I'm sure. So after that we need to write a title. For example, I will write something like title, just for example, text, everything you want. So I will just tap it. And if you want to add the image, link or video, you have icons in the bottom. So this chain icon means you can add a link, and other two icons it's about image and video. So after you're done to creating your post, press next. And here you can choose on what subreddit you need to add your post. To watch subreddit it's located, so we can choose funny and click on post. Your post is ready. Thank you, leave a like and subscribe.